Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ̀ ń bá mi pàdé rèé, ẹ bá mi like, ẹ comment, ẹ share, kẹ́ subscribe. Àwọn ohun tí ẹ máa wò lórí ìkànnì yìí, òun ni àwọn ohun tí ó ń lọ láwùjọ wa tó sì máa kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
Atiku wèrè Atiku ìwọ tó jẹ́ kí wọ́n lẹ̀ ló kò pa. Atiku, you that they supposed to lẹ̀ ló kò pa, kán lẹ̀ ní òkò, kán fi òkúta fọ́ orí ẹ̀. If Nigerians are working, if Nigerians brain is working, Atiku kò yẹ kó tiẹ̀ lè sọ̀rọ̀ níta gbangba. He said DSS should go and arrest Sunday Igboho. Atiku ó ya wèrè gan o. Atiku ó ya wèrè gidi gan ni. Ó ti gbàgbé wípé you mention those behind killings in Nigeria. Atiku a máa tú fún rẹ síta o. Yọ yáǹṣì báyìí lórí iṣẹ́ Yorùbá Wuyì báyé máa fẹ́ síta ni. A máa tú fún rẹ síta. You the non-estical concubinity, ẹ̀yà mi ní English kí wọ́n fi bú Atiku. You sef dey talk. Atiku, ìwọ tó yẹ kí wọ́n tà, kí wọ́n lọ fi ẹ́ ra àtùpà. Atiku, you are coming out to say you be Ajitannawo lọ́gànjọ́ òru. Atiku ó wrong now. Abubakar Atiku say they should go and arrest DSS should invite Sunday Igboho. Ṣé Atiku ló sọ àbí Atiku aid whatever. Atiku o, àwa ò ní kú. Atiku, this is Yoruba matter, no put mouth. Yorùbá ló wà lórí oyè nísìn. Àwa là ń fa ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́. You guys in the north are pretenders. You are pretending. How dare you? How dare you cry over the insecurity that you cause? Àwọn olórí ibú, wèrèrè o, God bless you. Wèrèrè o, wèrèrè o, Atiku wèrèrè o. Àná mi mo sì rí nǹkan tẹ́ kọ́ mi fẹ́ fi sínú show mi fẹ́ fi sínú ọ̀rọ̀ Atiku ni. Atiku wèrèrè o. Atiku, you sef dey talk. If Nigeria is working, Atiku, you suppose to dey inside gbaga. Where is our $16 billion? Atiku, where is our $16 billion? Wèrèrè o. Atiku wèrèrè onígbèsè. Atiku olè Jaguda padi jankoríko tìfùtìfù jankoríko tìfùtìfù. Atiku, where is our $16 billion? Olórí ibú ẹni òfò. Everybody dey talk. Atiku sef dey talk. Wèrèrè o. Ìwọ tó yẹ kó wà ní pépé, ó yẹ kó hang ẹni. Ó yẹ kí Atiku, they supposed to hang you. Kí wọ́n kí gbogbo àwọn Nigerians kó máa wá bù ẹ́, kó hang ẹ báyìí, kó máa wá bù ẹ́ bí ẹran súyà. You sef dey talk because Nigeria is not working. That is why the likes of Atiku will be talking in public. Atiku, where is our $16 billion? That you and Obasanjo tí ẹ yọ fún owó electricity. And you spent 8 years in the office and nothing to show up. And you are begging us. Atiku is now begging us. Atiku, where is our $16 billion? The money that belongs to me, my family, my fans, each and every one of us, ìwọ nìkan gbé sínú ẹpọ̀n ẹ. And you are now telling us that DSS should invite Sunday Igboho. Atiku, you don't forget you. Atiku, you don't forget, and I go remember you. I go remind you for this show, and I go bring evidence and proof. Lórí page Yorùbá Wuyì, èmi ò kí máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ tí ò ní evidence. Kò sọ̀rọ̀, kò sẹ́rí, kò sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Atiku, you are forgotten. When you said they should not vote for Buhari, for the second time, that if they vote for Buhari, the killings will continue. You guys created that insecurity in Nigeria. We have two different ideologies. The North have different ideology, while the Southwest have different ideology. The ideology of the North is that they are born to rule. Sharia law, tí wọ́n ti pa anybody nípakúpa. That is the ideology of the North. Kí ló dé tí show mi dúró? Ẹ má kí show mi dúró. Ìtẹ́wá wo lé ẹ bá wa like show yìí. Ẹ bá wa share. Ẹ má kò sí flagging kankan àwọn lẹ́ni tó ń ṣe wá. Lórí page Yorùbá Wuyi àwọn lẹ́ni tó ń ṣe wá. Àní monitoring spirit tó ń tẹ̀lé wa. Atiku, come tell me. We have two different ideologies. Two different people. The North want Sharia law. 99% of Muslims want Sharia law. Níbi tí wọ́n ti máa pààyàn, tí wọ́n ti máa géèyàn lórí, géèyàn lọ́wọ́, géèyàn lápá, géèyàn lẹ́sẹ̀, àti níbi tí wọ́n ti máa lè pa irọ́. Yoruba people, the Southwesterner, what we want is káráyé gbé, káráyé ṣe, equity. Níbi tí ẹ̀hùn bá ṣe bẹ̀rù làbọ̀ mọ́, ká ṣiṣẹ́, ká ṣiṣẹ́, ká ṣiṣẹ́, ká jọlá. This is what we want in Yoruba land. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́tí gbẹ̀yìn èèyàn mi wípé ní kí ló wípé àti ẹ̀hùn Ọ̀wọ̀. Àwọn tí wọ́n lọ pa wọ́n ní Ọ̀wọ̀. Ohun tí wọ́n sọ níbẹ̀ ni wípé olórí àwọn sọ fún àwọn wípé priest of the Catholic Church ní Ọ̀wọ̀ ó bú Muhammadi. Ó bú Muhammadu ẹni òfò. Wọ́n ní nǹkan tí olórí àwọn sọ fún àwọn nìyẹn tí wọ́n fi lọ pa over 100 Yorùbá people nínú church Ọ̀wọ̀ ní 2021. Wọ́n ti dájọ́ kú fáwọn 4 nísìn. Then lọ́yà àwọn tó kò máa appeal wọn nípa wọn. Tó yẹ kí ó di ọjọ́ èní kí wọ́n tó pè wọ́n pa. Àwọn ọba wa náà wọ́n ń bọ̀ tá wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìjínigbé. Wọ́n sọ àwọn ti pa ọlọ́pàá, àmì ń bọ̀, sójà ń bọ̀. Nígbà tó yẹ pé àwọn alálẹ̀ ti block phone number àwọn ọba wa. Àwọn alálẹ̀ ti block phone number àwọn ọba wa. Àwọn ọba wa ò ní phone number alálẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ mọ́. Àwọn àtàwọn alálẹ̀ ti jà. Ṣé bí àwọn alálẹ̀ ṣe ṣe nì, àwọn ọba Ṣọ̀ún Ògúnmọ́lá? Ṣé bí wọ́n ṣe ṣe nì? Ṣé bí àwọn owó kẹ̀mbẹ̀wó débi ìjà? Ṣé bí wọ́n ṣe ṣe nì? Ṣé bí àwọn ọba Ṣàngó Olúkòso Àyàrá àná ṣe ṣe nì? Our obas are waiting for the army to come and rescue us in Yoruba land. Where is the alálẹ̀? Ẹ ti gbàgbé ẹ̀yin alálẹ̀ gan ẹ̀ ní phone number ara yín lọ́wọ́ mọ́. Mo kí yín ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ káàbọ̀. Ẹ bá wa pé Atiku wèrè. Atiku wèrè. Nobody tó gbẹ́nu ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ Yorùbá. We are talking about Yoruba security and you are putting your mouth. Atiku, did you know how many people tó ti kú in the name of $16 billion that you invest with Obasanjo? Barrister kọrin, ó ní tó bá dé hospital kò ní síná, ṣẹ́ni tó ń ṣe operation fún un lọ́wọ́, sónítọ̀ òun ò wá ní kú. Ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀mí ló ti ìbábẹ̀ lọ́rọ̀ ṣe ẹ̀ mọ́ o, tán kúkú owó láìrò, láìpẹ́ ọjọ́ tí wọ́n wá já o, tọkọ wọn dọkọ̀ ọlọ́kọ o, táyà wọn dàyà aláya, tọmọ wọn dọmọ ọlọ́mọ o, èèyàn pàtàkì nínú fámìlì o, tó dá láì lọ́kọ nígbẹ̀yìn, tó dá láì láyà nígbẹ̀yìn o, lẹni tó lówó fi ń sá lọ sókè òkun, ká tó wá ronú ti mẹ́kùnnù, èyí tí òróró tí ó fi rokun débi tó máa rówó dókítà. Atiku bring back our money, olórí ibú ẹni òfò. Atiku bring back our money. If you want to talk about Sunday Igboho, Atiku, release the $16 billion with you and with interest. Ẹni òfò. Before you will say they should go and the DSS should invite Sunday Igboho, Atiku, ó yẹ kó hang ẹni. Ó yẹ kí wọ́n pa ẹni, kí Nàìjíríà kó dájọ́ kú fún ẹ kó lọ hang ẹ kó pa ẹ dànù. Àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀, Atiku náà sọ̀rọ̀. Atiku sọ̀rọ̀, Atiku wèrè. This is Atiku. December 2019 ni Atiku on Punch newspaper, Atiku said, killings by S-men will continue if Buhari is re-elected. And what does that tell me and you? Pé tí Buhari bá tún wọlé o, àwọn S-men á continue láti máa pààyàn. Not, why are you crying? All the insecurity you create by yourself, you created it by yourself. If we are talking about security in Yoruba land, Atiku, keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth quiet. Olè onígbèsè. Atiku, keep your mouth quiet. When we are talking about Yoruba insecurity, ẹjọ́ ẹ̀ kọ́. Ẹjọ́ Atiku kọ́. Ẹran tó mẹ́rẹ̀ ìjẹ́ ló ní kí gbẹ̀gìrì ṣàn. Ẹni tó fún gbìrà lọ tí ló ní kó sọ òyìnbó. Ó ní give me another 10 billion. Atiku said they should invite DSS should invite Sunday Igboho. Atiku ò lọ sí school ọ̀bọ. No, Atiku, you no go school ọ̀bọ. Ọmọ ẹ̀ máa ń jump. Ó lọ school monkey. Ó yẹ kó fò báyìí ni. Kó fò. Kó lọ gbé Sunday Igboho nílé ẹ̀. This is Atiku. Atiku lẹ́ ń wò yìí nínú Punch newspaper. Sunday Igboho sọ pé lóṣèlú ló ń sponsor kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ terrorism in Nigeria. You think Sunday Igboho don't know what he's talking? Atiku has once said it in 2019, December 19, 2018. Sorry, ní Buhari Atiku ti sọ December 19, 2018 òní lórí ní Punch newspaper. Gbogbo yín à ń sọ fún yín pé ìtọ́ yín àwọn ọmọ àwọn ọmọdọ́mọ yín máa bá ń lẹ̀ ẹ́ ṣí èrè. Bọ̀dá Atiku gbádùn sà. Now, ká tó tún kú òǹbẹ̀, Atiku mọ̀ ń bọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ tìrìtì tiẹ̀ náà. Then àwọn Fúlàní ti sunkún síta o. Fúlàní ní gbogbo ayé ló gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ ohùn àwọn o. Màá play yẹn náà fún yín. Ká kọ́ lọ sọ́dọ̀ Atiku olè onígbèsè.
The issue of electricity, I feel very, very emotional about it. Because I believe if we had handled the issue of electricity when we were in office by 2005, we would have provided enough electricity for the people of this country. But unfortunately, we did not follow that route.
Imagine ní 2005 tí òun àtọ́básanjọ́ táwọn bá ti provide electricity fún wa Nàìjíríà ìwé eléyìí ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀, but unfortunately they failed. You are a failure. Atiku, you are a failure. Any party that you come from, they are failures. This is Atiku, $16 billion. Atiku, give us our money. Atiku onígbèsè 2000 and ọ̀dájú ni ẹ́. Many have died because you refuse to give us electricity and you embezzle $16 billion. You and Obasanjo. Atiku, pay us our money. Give us the $16 billion equivalent to what $16 billion can buy in 2005. They should calculate $16 billion of 2005 still with 16 billion of 2026. What $16 billion can buy then? Even an Oyinbo man said in 2005, a country that even don't have electricity, even electric pole, should not spend $16 billion. You and Obasanjo, ẹ mú $16 billion, ẹ dẹ̀ pín láàrin ẹ máa dájú ẹ níkà. You guys are wicked. You are now begging us. Atiku is begging you. Ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Atiku is begging us yo. Ó ní ẹ dákun o. $16 billion ní 2005. Ó ní ẹ dákun ẹ foríjì wọn o. Ó ní ẹ má má bínú o. Wípé òun ti rán ìmọye èèyàn lẹ́sẹ̀ sínú sàárè o. Àwọn tí wọ́n ṣe operation fún lọ́wọ́, tí wọ́n múná lọ, àwọn tí wọ́n rush dé emergency tí ò síná. Atiku ní ẹ má bínú o. Atiku ò mọ̀ pé èèyàn tó ń pa gan ó ju èèyàn tí Boko Haram pa lọ. Atiku, you don't even know. Oh, what do you mean by English? Anybody that understands English should translate this in English and send it to Atiku. Atiku, you have killed more than bandits and Boko Haram. Due to electricity, if you don't know, the $16 billion you and Obasanjo Bezu, Atiku, you have killed more than Boko Haram. Many people, they live on electricity, like the electricians, the refrigerator repairers. Many people, tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣọpíṣọ̀ fún ìyàwó wọn torí pé fẹ́ bímọ tí ò sí iná tí ìyàwó wọn gbẹ̀mí mì. Àwọn bàbá tó di bàbá oníbàbá, ọmọ tó dọmọ ọlọ́mọ tó pé bàbá àti ìyá ò rí electricity fi ṣiṣẹ́. Àwọn Dunlop tires tí wọ́n kúrò ní Nàìjíríà, àwọn Leventis, àwọn Bontin, àwọn Adébọ̀wálé, àwọn iléeṣẹ́ ńláńláńlá tí wọ́n kúrò ní Nàìjíríà tó pé kò sí iná. Àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ lábẹ́ wọn tí wọ́n dà kalẹ̀ tí pé mìíràn wọn kọ́rọ̀ olúkú ni. Atiku, ìwọ àtọ́básọ́jọ́ rẹ̀ pa wọ́n. You have killed more than Boko Haram. Atiku, you have killed more than insurgency. Atiku, you dey talk. Nigeria is supposed to hang you. They're supposed to hang you. People they talk, you said they talk. $16 billion. You are now saying, unfortunately, you left with nothing. So we should not pardon you and vote for you. Atiku. Oh my dad, you Onika. People are talking, you are talking. Because you are shameless and you see Nigerians as the mumu where no get sense. Because if Nigerians, if they are sensible enough, not be you supposed to talk for public. Many have died because you refuse them of what is of benefit to them. $16 billion. Need 2005. Equivalent to 2026. What would that be? Trillions of dollars. 2005. $16 billion. Ika, agbaya, fun. You are not calling yourself, you are Mr. Nigeria. I am Mr. Nigeria. I marry Igbo, I marry Hausa, I marry Yoruba. Oh, but I marry wèrè. Abájọ ẹni tó ṣe tọ̀nù, Atiku wèrè, ó rí sọ. Imagine nonsense tó ń sọ lẹ́nu. You are now coming out. DSS should invite Sunday Igboho. You forgot that in December 2018. You are on Punch newspaper when you said if Buhari was elected again, that the killings of S-men will continue. Then what are you referring to? What are you telling us about Buhari? Ole or fun. If the Olowo like you, if they forgive or forget, me, your Motalika, can never forget the much damages you guys have done to us. Assuming electricity, assuming you guys powered Nigeria. Many of our graduates now that are dying on the Mediterranean, you think they will die there? They will be in Nigeria working in those companies, in those factories. We have Chinese companies in Nigeria before. They left because of lack of electricity, lack of power. That make many of Nigerians going abroad 2 different ways. Going through Mediterranean Sea, many of them will die on the Mediterranean Sea. Going through desert, many will die on desert. Desert. Going to Libya, all these Arab people. When we say, I'm doing on what doing on I don't do when you are talking at Atiku. Oh, that beg will share song. Oh, you come well see Agbola Latong in Atiku. Come here, see you cool. Come work it theater. Atiku is talking. You talk, Usha. If Tinubu must go, all the politicians in Nigeria must go. If you don't want Tinubu, anybody that has been in politics for one day, all of them, we must pack them inside dustbin, go and throw them in the Sambisa forest. If Tinubu must go, all the politicians in Nigeria, if you have one day be a politician in Nigeria, I'm a Tinubu bag, I'm going to do you see Sambisa. None of you is a saint. You guys contributed to the ayelile. See àwọn èèyàn ń gbé ní Nigeria sí, you sef you dey talk. Atiku wèrè o Atiku dey talk wèrè gbogbo yín pátá if Tinubu must go all the politicians must go gbogbo yín máa dùn yín sínú bákọ̀ bàgà máa dùn yín sí sàbísà káwọn Fúlàní máa kó yín lọ even if you have been a councillor for one day you must follow a máa kó yín sínú bákọ̀ bàgì báyìí a máa kó yín sínú bẹ́ẹ̀ garbage bag a máa dùn yín síbẹ̀ a máa lọ dùn yín sí sàbísà kéèyàn àtàwọn Fúlàní tó wá ń gbé àwọn tálíkà ìjọba lọ yanjú ẹ̀ láàrin ara yín gbèsè tẹ́ bá jẹ àwọn apààyàn ìjọba lọ sọ fúnra yín enough of your nonsense keep quiet Atiku don't talk in the public again wèrè those of our people that are joining by banditry now you see bandit is doing a live show on TikTok bandit is doing giveaway and our people are so gullible that they can drop their account number for bandit to credit them. You see the nonsense you have done. Assuming Atiku that money where you and Obasanjo use for collect for waiting electricity. Assuming you guys use that money for electricity and we have different companies in Nigeria. You think banditry will be as big as this? When everybody is busy working, people are dropping their account number. And you know, all of you dropping your account number for bandits. They will track you with your phone number, with your BVN, with your NIN. Tó bá ti jí yín gbé, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àwọn screen record yín. Tó bá jí yín gbé, àwọn lọ nìyẹn. Tá bá tó pé wà lára àwọn tó drop account number fún àwọn bandits ló kíní. Nobody. We announce that wọ́n ti jí ẹ gbé, ó lọ nìyẹn. And ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú, see, ojú yín máa bó. This is what Awolowo said. He said, I don't want the children of my drivers to be a driver to my children. I don't want the children of the cook to be cook to my children. But you, oloselu Nigeria, if you have been battling with 10,000 terrorists before, just know now that you have almost 40,000. Because those people that gave their account number to bandits on the internet, they will recruit them. Many of them will be informants. One day, revolution will happen in Nigeria. Ayẹyẹ alaba. Èyàn lè ṣe Nigeria. Wo tó bá mú yín sọ́wọ́, ẹ̀jẹ̀ yín àgbẹ̀. Ẹ gbójú àwọn security yín. Many of your security will be the first person láti fọ́ yín ní ìbọn lórí. Wọ́n á fọ́ orí yín báyìí ni. Wọ́n á lù yín tí yín á yẹ̀. They know how much you guys are stealing. You are embezzling. Why Nigerians are suffering? Your securities, they know. They know how you send your children abroad and their children is here. They know how the bandits, how you guys recruit bandits into Nigerian military. And many generals have been killed. They know. They know what you guys are doing. Wo, tó bá mú yín sọ́wọ́. Tó bá ṣẹ́rí gbogbo yẹn ìbẹ̀ tí lọ́ra private jet. Àwọn private jet fẹ́ ra yẹn. Kì í ya kọ́ yín lọ́gbọ̀n kan tẹ́bí lè escape. Tẹ́ bá ti ń jáde lọ because kò sí nǹkan kan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe. No champion forever. Tẹ́ bá ti ń jáde lọ, ẹ máa mú private jet yín ẹ̀ka dáadáa, ẹ̀ka lódìdí báyìí, kẹjù sápò. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Torí tí ìjọ tí wòye bá máa pa ẹni tó ń wò, ó lè jẹ́ pé ibi tẹ́ ti lọ dó olóṣó lógún àti dé báyìí. Ó lè jẹ́ pé tẹ́ ti gbọ́yàn sẹ́nu ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì. Tẹ́tí wọ́n gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ ẹ mú kalẹ̀ wọ́n ti já o. So Atiku jẹ́ kí n play video ẹ̀ kí wọ́n á ṣe show mi. Torí orí ẹ̀ gbẹ́sẹ́ bí àmukù ọ̀sùn. Wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ Atiku náà sọ̀rọ̀ they should go and invite DSS should invite Sunday Igboho. Ìwọ tẹ́ pé ìtàn ẹ̀ ò ṣe é náà wò. Ìwọ onítàn rírùn ìtàn ẹ̀rùn Atiku yọ ìtàn is smelling. Àti bá gbọ́ English ìtàn kó bá mi kọ́ sí comment section. Atiku yọ ìtàn is smelling. Ìtàn ẹ̀ ò ṣe é náà wò bí aṣọ ìtàn ẹ̀rùn $16 billion. $16 billion. Oh, ní kú pé. Sọ́wọ́ wẹ̀rẹ̀.
I feel very, very emotional about it because I believe if we had handled the issue of electricity when we were in office by 2005, we would have provided enough electricity. the people of this country. But unfortunately, we did not follow that route.
Did he just admitted to? But Alaji Tori Olong, Alaji, what happened to the $16 billion that you and Obasanjo said you spent on electricity?
We collected money from local government, states, federal government, and others. First set of contracts were given. Some contracts were paid 100%. We left, nothing was achieved.
Yeah.
You Olomo, Atiku, $16 billion, and you have mouth to talk that you left and nothing was achieved. Oh, Jamila, and Atiku is still talking in public. Atiku, you still have the audacity to talk in public. You left $16 billion and nothing was achieved. After 8 years, Atiku Tori Olong. Atiku Tori Olong. Atiku, you still came out they talk because you think Nigerians are mumu.